For this video, I will show you how to block a customer on Shopify. First, on the left toolbar, click on Apps. Then, search for Blockify and click on it. Now, select Install, then install again. After that, click on Get Started. Choose Block IP Address. In here, you will enter the IP address of your customer. You can see it on their order. Just paste it and click Save. Now you will see that the customer you blocked is on the block list. You can also block a user agent or block location, block products, or block a specific page. But it is more recommendable to block an IP address so that you will block a specific customer. And that's it. That's how you block a customer on Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.